Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Informatics. In the last episode, we learned about Io and Europa, two of the Galilean moons of Jupiter. So in this episode, we'll be learning about the other two, that is Ganymede and Callisto. And the first moon we're going to take a look at is Ganymede. Ganymede is the largest moon in the solar system, and Ganymede's surface is like the Earth's. It has many different tectonic plates. With a diameter of 5,268 kilometers, Ganymede is 8% wider than Mercury, and it is 25% larger in terms of volume. However, its much lower density suggests that it is ice and rock mixture. That the structure is an ice and rock mixture that is similar to its neighbor Europa. We learned about that in the last episode. Europa's surface is the smoothest surface in the solar system. Now, Ganymede is similar to this. Now, about Ganymede's atmosphere, it's a very thin atmosphere that consists of a little bit of oxygen. And its surface, it's a jumble of bright and dark areas. Where these bright areas are located, there are far fewer impacts. And this suggests that the dark areas, we can find that the dark areas are filled with lots of craters. And in these dark areas, some of the craters, it gets resurfaced, and those areas, it becomes lighter again. It appears as bright in color. And these brighter areas, they are filled with many parallel scars of parallel grooves and ridges. And that's one evidence of the tectonic activity. Now, in the Earth, there is three main tectonic activity, that is convergent, divergent, and transform. We learned about that in one of my episodes about the Earth. This convergent movement is in which two plates, they move to one another. Transform movement is in which two plates, they slide one another. Divergent movement is in which two plates, they move apart from another. In Ganymede, the movement is like the scars, they appear as scars by parallel grooves and ridges in the lighter areas. Additionally, Ganymede is the only natural satellite with the magnetic field. Magnetic field is the thing that protects a celestial body from the harmful solar radiation from the sun. And Ganymede is the only natural satellite, is the only moon with the magnetic field. And how did scientists discover this? Well, it is because they found the evidence of a core that is likely to be made up of liquid iron. So that's how they discovered that Ganymede has a magnetic field. Now we'll be taking a look at the next moon, Callisto. The outermost Galilean moon is Callisto of Jupiter's, and it is a dark, heavily cratered world, and it is contrasting in structure and appearance with its inner neighbors, that is Ganymede, Europa, and Io. Now, Callisto and Io, they formed at the same time. However, Io, it's a volcanically active world in the solar system. These Io's volcanoes, it constantly renew the surface of Io. The Callisto's surface is not getting renewed because there's not any mountains or volcanoes on the surface. So it's just staying as the same old surface since its formation. It's just changed a little, relatively little, right? And when satellites, they took photos of Callisto, they found a world filled with lots of craters. And the reason why Callisto looks really dark is because of the solar radiation. It is getting affected by the solar radiation, and it's gradually becoming dark in appearance. And this might be the reason why young impact craters, they appear like bright starbursts on the surface, on the very doomed surface. This was just a little information about the two large moons of Jupiter, that is Ganymede and Callisto. In the next episode, we'll be learning about Saturn, the beautifully ringed planet Saturn. So, hope you guys enjoyed this topic. Thanks for watching. Bye!